I'd like to introduce OmniShaver's new back shaver. It is a maintenance shaver, which means it's not for your initial shave that removes long hairs. Instead, it's for removing stubble and will quickly shave short hairs to keep your back smooth and hair-free every day. The articulation joint on the handle allows you to pick 11 different angles, so reaching all areas of your back is easy. The push button makes it simple to change positions during your back shave, so control and placement is always achieved. The upper and lower handles have ribs designed to grip the finger fat pads and your hand fat pads, which prevent your grip from slipping during your back shave. This is the lotion spreader and it allows you to lubricate your back without someone's help. You simply apply the lubrication to the lotion spreader and spread it around on your back until lubrication is complete. Removing the lotion spreader is simple. You just pull it from the shaving head. You can then put it to the side or attach it to the docking station, which is located on the back of the handle. These are the shaving heads, and they float freely from one another and move in all directions. The cage moves back and forth and the claw moves back and forth, and this allows the blades to follow every contour of your back. To use the back shaver, you simply make 2-inch to 4-inch back and forth strokes on the area being shaved. And then when you finish that area, you'll move it to a new area on your back. Once you start stroking, you won't need to stop and rinse your shaving heads until the end of your back shave, because the blades will not clog if you're only shaving stubble. There are several different ways to use the back shaver. One of them is by removing the lower part of the handle, which allows you to reach the back easier by your waistline. The next way to use your back shaver differently is to remove the shaving head from the claw, and you simply spread the claw and that will release the cage. Once it's in this position, you can use it to shave your chest. When your back shave is finished, replace the lotion spreader onto the docking pins, and this will protect your shaving heads when you put the back shaver away for storage until its next use.